Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing an unboxing today on something a little bit different. I normally don't do unboxing or reviews on anything but planners, so this is new and fun for me, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My channel is normally geared towards organization and planning, so if you want to check out any of my other videos, go ahead and search for them and like them if you enjoy them. And if you're just here for the tea, that's great too. For all my current subscribers, I'd like to give a little bit of a backstory as to why I'm doing this unboxing. So if you want to skip to the tea, I'll put a little time marker down below so you can just go ahead and skip to the unboxing. So for any of you who stuck around, my son left back to college in August, and with him went his coffee maker. He had brought it home with him over the summer. It was a Keurig and I got quite attached to it. I did end up running out and getting my own, but I also wanted to start drinking tea more. I've always enjoyed tea. I've never experimented with too many different types of tea, and one of the reasons I kind of want to start having tea over coffee is because I tend to add a little too many calories to my coffee. I like heavy cream in my coffee and I like sugar. I don't care for any of the fake sugars like Splenda or Truvia or any of those, so I just feel like I end up adding too many calories to my morning. And one of the things I enjoy about tea is I like tea as it is. I enjoy its flavor, so I thought that might be a little bit of a healthier option for me. So when SIPS reached out to me to test out their subscription box, I was so excited because who doesn't like surprise mail every month? I love ordering from Amazon, and even though I know what's coming, it's like Christmas whenever they deliver some things, so I'm pretty excited about this one. So SIPS is an Austin-based startup company, and it was created by a small group of tea lovers. It's really easy to get started. You just head on over to their website. I'll put a link down below, and you fill out a little quiz. And honestly, I had no idea there were so many different flavor profiles for tea, things like chocolate and smoky. So it was a lot of fun and kind of a learning experience filling it out. Once you get that all set up, they will send you 4 different teas, which make 15 fresh cups of tea for you every month for $15 a month. At the end of the video and down in the description area, I'll go ahead and put a coupon code for you where you can receive $5 off for your first month. Okay, so that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. I normally do overhead unboxings because I'm used to doing planner videos, but I think I'm just going to open this one up like this face to face. So it comes in this cute little box right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it comes with a little card that says September Teas, and it has descriptions of what I got for September, and it says made for Dia on there. That's cute. So the teas are just kind of tossed in there like that, and let's go ahead and see what they are. Since it's all kind of jumbled up in here, I think I'm just going to go off of what's on the list and find it and then show it to you. So the first one is Sweet Matcha. Is that how you say it? Matcha? By Motion Matcha. It says it's a Japanese matcha green tea powder, chicory root, fiber, monk fruit extract. And then it tells you how much caffeine it has in it, medium caffeine. And then it gives you a little coupon code so that if you decide to purchase more of this through their website, you can go ahead and enter that for a discount code too. So let me find it. And I think it is this one, and I have 4 of these. I've actually never had matcha tea. I've always wanted to try it. I know, Starbucks, everybody has it, but now I get to try it. I'll let you know what I think. Okay, next is the Organic Strawberry Morning Tea by Miracle Tree. And there is, let me see. Let me find it. It's probably the one with the strawberries on it. And there are 4 bags of this one too. I think I might have this one after I'm done making this video. This is what this one looks like. This is the front and back of the packet. I think I'll give that one a try out first. Okay, next is the Kenyan black tea with mango. I wonder if I can make some boba tea with this. I've been obsessed with that lately, and we've made it a few times at home, but I wasn't liking the Earl Grey tea that I was making it with. This is this one. Okay, and lastly is Fez, and let me see what this is. So there are 3 of these ones. Okay, this is, Fez Full Leaf Green Tea. It's a loose leaf tea, and I'm gonna have to get myself one of those little tea things because I used to have one, but my son took that with him too. So this is the green tea. Okay, and then there's a few other things in here. It's just a little bit about each of the different teas. There's that one. There's a little card in here for the other one. Kind of tells you what the teas are all about. And the Miracle Morning one. So that's it. I'm really excited to try these. If you want to see what I think about them, go ahead and make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll probably post it in my stories. I think I'm gonna try one of them right now. Probably this morning tea. It actually has no caffeine in it, so I just might give this a taste, and I'll let you know what I think about it on there. As I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in trying out the subscription box, I'll go ahead and put a link down below, and you can get $5 off of your first box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried out the subscription box and what your thoughts are about it. And of course, leave me any questions you might have down below in the comment area. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to expand a little more than just about planners. So if you have any ideas for me, I would love to hear them. And I can't wait to share with you guys what I think about these teas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.